Today my wife and I are talking about who would be good enough to marry our daughter. And I know that's an age-old question, but it got us talking about young people, the Millennials, the Generation Zers or Xers or Qers or whatever they call themselves now. They're just modern-day hippies. They have no purpose, they have no drive. They just want to climb mountains, smoke dope, and save the whales. They're more motivated by a purpose than a paycheck, which is fine, as long as you don't mind living in your parents' basement forever. They don't want a car, or house, or a bank account. Oh no, they're fine. They can borrow tools, or money, or rent a house. They're okay. And I know there's exceptions to this rule, but we're going to ignore them for today because it's not as entertaining. So let's talk about these kids. They want to get a degree in salt and pepper shakers, and then they wonder why they can't get a job. And a parent told me the other day, he said, these kids, they're really good at writing essays and exams, but they have no marketable skills. So today we're going to talk about this, how to get some marketable skills. All right, and I know we've covered some of this in previous videos, but you guys were probably too busy on the Instagram or the Footbook or I don't know, whatever, Snapchat, whatever you and your homies were into that day, and you were too busy to pay attention. But today you should pay attention. Okay, let's start. Make a good first impression. Alright, I know you think you look good and you're dressed up in your fancy clothes and you're feeling like George Clooney, but if you have a great big snotsicle coming out of your nose, not too cool. And have a good handshake. Today I met a guy, gave me a handshake, felt like two rice noodles tied together by some floss. Not very impressive. Okay, we combined 1 and 2. Let's go to 3. I'm going to check my notes. Give me a second. Oh yeah, work hard. If you work hard, you'll be better than 80% of the people that you're competing with. 80%. And if you took math in school, that's quite a lot. So I know your body's already strained and sore just by the thought of physical work, but it won't kill you, not right away. You know, and I know you're working on that big invention, that teenage super glue that you sit on it and it holds a teenager in his chair for hours and only releases for food or money. But it's not a very good invention. But no bad ideas. You probably don't have any good ones. Let's check again. Oh, I like this one. Learn to public speak. If you know the periodic table off by heart, but are too scared to tell anybody what you know, then it doesn't matter. The person that can speak in public will be further ahead. And learn to tell a joke. It puts people at ease, makes them feel comfortable. For instance, when people ask me if I got a haircut, I say no. I got both of them cut. See, there's nothing like a good joke. And that was nothing like a good joke. I stole that from Mary Poppins. So next, use what you have been given. We've all been given some talents. Figure out what they are and use them. My talent is to make people comfortable and laugh a little bit, or moderately smile. I don't make any money at it, but I like to do it. Well, unless I got 731 more subscribers, then I might be on my way a bit. Just saying. Alright, use what you've been given. And look after what you have. You know, people laugh at me because I use conditioner on my hair. And there's not a lot of hair there, but you can see. You can even see how soft it is. So if you look after what you have and it's a little bit, you're going to look after what you have when it's a lot. You know, how you look after $5 is how you look after 5 million. And if you give a little and you save a little and you spend the rest, you'll be okay. So, with these tips, you should be able to become a prospective parental approved spouse. And if you don't have these skills, and you have 10 camels and 2 goats, and maybe if you throw in a llama, we can talk. Okay, we'll see you next time when we talk about hippie names and pronunciation. Thanks for watching.